guys, we are cooking fudge. Yummy. Now we're going to spray the stuff into the pan so we can make some fudge.
Step 1. In a microwave-safe bowl, add your butter, chocolate chips, and condensed milk. Okay. Next, put your bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes. After about a minute, stop and pull your bowl out of the microwave to stir the mixture. Make sure all the butter and chocolate chips are completely melted. Then you add in your vanilla and salt. Stir again and make sure everything is well blended. Pour your mixture inside a pan and let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours.
That was delicious.